To demonstrate CICD using Git and Jenkins, I've created a dummy Node.js project. This project does nothing but just displays a simple web application. So I've also added a Jenkins file to this repository, which describes the build steps which are required to actually build the pipeline. And at the end, it sends an email describing the results of what the outcome of the build step was. And I've also created one Jenkins pipeline here, pipeline job, which checks for the commit being done on that repository. So I have achieved that by doing polling on the source code management, which is Git in our case. So all 5 stars actually mean that we are polling every minute, which is not ideal, but for this task, I'm polling for every minute. So as soon as we do a commit on the Git repository, the build should ideally run. So I've made few changes in the Jenkins file. I've added the tools which are required to run unit integration tests and other debugging information for a Node.js project. So we'll just do a commit to initiate the build. Let's just add a dummy message. Changes to Jenkins file. Commit. So once the commit reflects here, we can see that the changes to Jenkins file, the messages which we changed here. I've used npm audit, but we can also use sync to do the application security scan step. But audit is more, less complex as compared to sync, but it's useful if you just want to check for vulnerabilities in your code if it's a Node.js project. Let's go to our Jenkins portal, where this pipeline should ideally run, which it is running. If we go to the console output, we can see that the pipeline is currently running, and once it finishes, it sends the email to 2 email addresses which I have specified on a Jenkins file in the recent commit. And to view this email, we can go here. We see that the Jenkins job, Jenkins test success, which is the result of the pipeline, sends us an email with this subject, and we have also attached the log for the build. Here we can see the commit message which we made in our latest commit, and that the build was successful. You can see the same email on the other email address as well, and the same build log. This is the email address which I use to set up sending the email using the Jenkins server running on my local host. So this shows that in the sent items, you can see that this email ID was used to send this actual log. Thank you.